must be.
Yeah, let me tell you something. See that one right over there?
Yeah.
Down there yesterday, and with a little 6-horse Johnson on it. And I caught one of them vines, and we was going around one of them curves, and I was looking over that way, not paying this way. That curve, that vine, picked me up on the arm here, slapped out of the canoe, and then when it turned me loose, it set me back on the outside of the boat. Boom! 2 chainsaws.
Oh, wow.
Gas can, water can, everything. Done.
Oh well.
Don't watch out for the vines.
Oh yeah, we got a few of them.
You got any canoes left? Yeah, a couple.
Well, yeah, we got this one trip that's 8 miles where we pick you up and bring you back. That's $19. Now, if you want it by the day, you take it out of here and you bring it back here. It's $10 or $2.50 an hour, 2-hour
You
minimum.
almost had it over before you got started. Tom, I've been canoeing with Tom before. That's why I didn't bring my camera.
Did you bring your wetsuit?
No.
We got K9.
Canoeing with him once, but that's enough to know don't bring a camera.
Hey, believe me, I think every time I've been out, I've been over.
Serious?
Yeah.
Not today.
Not today. It's too cold.
Hey.
You want a camcord and I'll row? Or are you doing okay? All right, this is pretty slick.
What?
Huh?
What?
The steam rising off the water.
Watch out for this vine.
I'm watching. Well, nothing above a 6 horsepower. I guess they changed the rule.
He's not bothered by us at all. Well up over there somewhere.
I wish I had a 12 power zoom instead of only an 8.
See that one up in the tree right there?
Yeah, there's 2 up there. There's one up and one down. Look at all of them in the other tree.
Oh my God.
There's a couple there, isn't there?
A few. Just a few. It must be pretty good around here.
Oh, there's the cat. I guess the Eatons must be good around here.
that the same cat?
No.
Look at that cat being so sneaky, going down to the water on the other. His back's out too. Oh, there's a bunch more of them. See that other tree? Oh, there's something over there.
Yeah, there's something over there walking around. Okay, ready, bang. Go ahead and bang. Now, they don't like you at all. Now we just scared any other wildlife 30 yards ahead of us away. Need some help, I take it? No. Doing okay?
Is that a suede jacket?
Yeah.
That suede jacket.
Huh?
This thing is about as old as you, Tom.
American?
Look out, Jeff, for the branches.
Okay. Where is he? Where?
Right there.
I don't see him.
Right there.
Oh, okay, I ain't there yet. Whoop. There he goes. I don't know if I got him or didn't got him. Oh, there's the other one.
Okay, we're going across the lawn here.
Okay, I'm not doing anything except sitting. Obviously, now you need my help.
No. Just sit.
Don't reach for things. I can't find him. There he is.
Are your feet wet now?
There's a nice sunny spot back there.
I don't know. I don't think so. Well, just the one of them got in the water.
You didn't put no cheese on them?
Mayonnaise and meat, Meg.
No cheese?
No cheese.
Why?
No, it was 7 o'clock in the morning. I didn't care. I was making a damn sandwich. Yeah, I'm gonna check this stuff out. Becky makes this crab dip in South Carolina. No, but it's out of canned crab. This is out of that.
Imitation crab.
Oh yeah, yum yum. Did you make it or?
Bought it at Albertsons. Well, it's really easy to make. All it's got in
that
it.
imitation. I like that imitation.
All it's got in it is cream
Jeff,
cheese.
are you gonna grab a sandwich?
Yeah, I was gonna grab a sandwich, but I'm holding this thing. I figured
Cream cheese.
Vanessa would be
cheddar
nice enough
cheese.
to get me a sandwich.
I'll
But
get it for you. Sorry,
Thanks.
babe.
Come, come.
Nope, missed. Oh well.
so many gators because there's not much for them to eat up this way. Something Jeff and I saw last time we went to Alexander too was some otters right in here.
Well, don't scare him. Don't scare him. Where'd he go? There he is. Go away. Go away.
Just went under there.
Where'd he go to? There we go.
Pretty nice place.
Hey, where's the moon?
Hmm?
Hey, Cam. Did we go?
Hey, Kim,
Oh, cool.
a vibrating stump.
And here comes the other one.
Look at it. Look on it.
I don't know if I like it.
Oh, boy. What a relief. What a relief, huh?
Yeah. Oh, man.
Probably Wiz. You didn't take a dump out there, did you?
Not at all. Okay,
I know what I meant. How was
here
it,
comes the
Jeff?
fourth party. Well, gator. Turtle.
Yeah, but that other one was not a turtle. Was it right there? Look, there's all kinds of birds over there feeding.
Okay, Tom, do your thing.
Great one, Jeff.
Well, I can't get him. Good. Hmm? You're part of history now.
Oh, he's even making noise for you.